Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update HD status on WhatsApp. So first step you need to do is to open WhatsApp and simply need to open any conversation. Click on this icon, click on gallery and select a picture and click here HD and click on HD quality. So then you need to send that. So I send from my WhatsApp to another. So let me show you. Here you can see, and here you need to download. Then you need to click on this share button and click on my status. So select that and click on share. So now it is sending status. So now you can see that status in HD quality. Here you can see. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.